Ainsley.
Hey, Ains, how you doing, babe?
Woo! We're in Leo's backyard, and there's Jake just having the best time.
Come here, you bad Ains.
Hi, John. Hey, Bella. We've got this video for y'all.
Drop it. You ready? Huh? Go get it.
Oh, he's having the best time in this wonderfully large backyard.
Drop it. You ready? All right, go get it.
Okay. Daddy Leo. Daddy Leo.
Ma'am.
Would you tell Ainsley what you cooked us for supper?
Oh, we're doing a little roast, babe, right now. Mama showed me a whole new recipe.
And what else you cooking besides the roast?
Oh, a little corn, some veggies.
What else?
Oh, that's about it for right now.
Corn and veggies. Okay. Tell John and Ainsley and Bella about going to Burger King. What happened at lunch?
Well, at lunch, we turned around. I was going to do some steaks for lunchtime, but unfortunately the steaks weren't thawed. So we opted for burgers. And the burgers were Burger King. That was a mistake. We went and saw a line halfway around the building, so we opted to go inside.
And that was a mistake.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, God. What wasn't? The service inside was worse than the service outside. The service outside at least cleared the traffic before the service inside. And literally we had, I want to say a good half-hour wait.
Yeah. Well, you have any special messages for Ainsley, John, and Bella?
Yeah, you guys enjoy this wonderful day. Your mother's over here with us right now in Baton Rouge with your father. And believe me, it couldn't be better.
Okay. We love you. Bye.
Bye.